Hello everyone. We have another unboxing today. This is another small order that I got in. This comes from India and it's one of my vendors that I have been using for a couple of years now. And actually I was super lucky and I got to meet him in Tucson after I worked with him previously. And that was just really great to finally be able to meet him in person and talk to him and get to know him. So yeah, so I just love this vendor. Today we have Himalayan Quartz with Chlorite. This is high vibrational. It's absolutely stunning. I'm so excited to see it. And these are hand polished and carved into Shiva shape. And yeah, so I'm super excited. To get started, let's go ahead and have you grab your cup of tea. I have mine right here, and today I am having Earl Grey. And when I drink Earl Grey, I like to have it with cream and a little bit of sugar. So this one's from Harney & Sons. I actually drink a lot of their teas. I think they're really good. So yeah, let's get started. All right, first up, let's get all of these out of the box here. I only bought a few of these. I'm gonna see how they go. You know me, I don't tend to buy large quantities because I wanna find out how they're gonna do in my shop. And yeah, so let's get started. All right. I always find it so interesting too when there's newspapers from somewhere else. That's kind of fun. Okay. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful shapes. The clarity is so stunning. And I'll get pictures outside and insert them throughout the video. And you can see the chlorite in here. The clarity is just absolutely beautiful. And I love these shapes for when I'm doing crystal energy work. I think this is just a really beautiful shape to have. All right, I did get a couple of different sizes, so I can offer a couple of different price points. Oh, so you can really see the chlorite in through here. There's lots of rainbows. And this, yes, this has a double phantom. And again, I will get some better pictures of that. This is a really gorgeous piece. I'm super happy with the quality of these. And I don't know if you can see it. I'm seeing so many rainbows in through here. And I'll get better pictures. Just stunning. We have two in here. Okay, oh my gosh. That is just absolutely beautiful. I love all the inclusions, and the chlorite through here is just gorgeous. And again, it feels really lovely. I'm really looking forward to keeping one of these for myself and using it in my crystal healing practice. This is such a sweet small one. That's so pretty. Okay. And the next one. Oh, wow. That is so cool. I love that. Again, just really beautiful clarity on these. Really lovely. If you do any kind of crystal work, hands down, Himalayan Quartz is just so amazing. And the energy that it holds is better than any other, I think, personally. Oh, this is a tiny one. Let's see this one. Oh yeah, look at that. So cool. Lots of inclusions. I can see rainbows. You can really see this chlorite going throughout. That is just so sweet. I love that. All right, next up, let's see. Ooh, look at that. So beautiful. Now, of course, you know, these are natural, so they're going to have little pits and little druzy areas in them, and that's what makes them so amazing to work with. And I don't know if you can really see the way that the inclusions are. So beautiful. This one really looks magical. And lastly, I think we have 2 more in here. Yes. So let's look at the last 2. And I know it seems like such a small order, but these are going to be on the higher price point. And so for me, I just like to keep a smaller inventory just to see how they do, if my clients are into them, because I don't want to have all this inventory that nobody is interested in. I personally work with crystals like this, so I love them, but I do understand that you know, there's something for everybody, and so I like to make sure I just have a good variety in my shop. Again, the inclusions are gorgeous. The chlorite, I almost said fluorite. The chlorite is really pronounced. Over here it's so beautiful, and then just so sparkly. Right. Oh my gosh, this almost looks like garden quartz. The way is so clear, and then you have all the chlorite. Wow. I'm gonna get some close-ups of this. This is absolutely beautiful, and there's a huge rainbow right there. I don't know if you can see it. This is a beautiful piece. I'm gonna have a hard time deciding which one I'm gonna keep for my own practice. So there are the Shivas that I got in this order. These are gonna go, I think these are gonna go pretty quickly. They've been popular with other crystal sellers that I know, and so I think these will go pretty quickly. So I love all of these. And I thought, since this was a relatively short unboxing, that I would show you a few pieces that I have purchased from this vendor before. So here's some other things that I have gotten in the past. Here's this piece. This is pink Himalayan quartz. This is just a really amazing piece. Gets the pink from hematite that is in the earth where it's growing. These points are just amazing. So I have that piece. And then this one, which I thought was just absolutely gorgeous. Really beautiful. And these just look so pretty, just displayed as is. You can even get a little museum putty if you want to stand up a little straighter. I certainly have done that in my house. So pretty. And then lastly, I have a piece that I have not listed yet. I have had it for 2 years, and I've had it in my office because I wasn't sure if I was going to sell it or not. Sometimes pieces speak to me, and I feel like I need to hang on to them, and this is one of those pieces. But I think I'm ready. I think I'm ready to pass it on to whoever needs it in their life. And this is Himalayan Quartz. This is an absolutely perfect crystal. I'll get some close-ups to show you. Gwendal quartz grows in almost like a sideways turning formation. And again, these are all from the Himalayan mountains, and they just have very high frequency. The vibration is super high. These are great to work with if you are an energy worker. This piece is just perfect. Flat base, so this would look great sitting as a display. I think this would be great, again, if you're an energy worker, if you're doing Reiki, if you're doing crystal healing. You could even have it in your yoga space. It is a really amazing piece, and I just absolutely love it. But I'm ready for someone to have it. I'm ready for it to go to its rightful owner. I've just been keeping it, but I know that there is somebody out there that this piece is supposed to go to. So I will get this listed and say goodbye to it. So yeah, that's all of the unboxing I have for today. And if you're interested in any of these pieces, they'll be going into my Etsy shop. Today is Friday, so I would say by Sunday, these should be in there. And you can look for them there. And you can always leave me a comment down below if there's certain pieces that you are looking for, because I tend to get things that I personally love, but I know there's things out there that maybe you guys would want, and I want to make sure I'm carrying that, and I want to make sure I'm getting things that you all really love. And yeah, so that's what we have for today, and I thank you so much for joining me. If you can subscribe and if you can like this, that would be so amazing. And if you want to leave a comment and just let me know how I'm doing, if there's anything that I could be doing better or information that you guys would like to see. I'm really hoping to grow this channel bigger to be able to, you know, have a broad range of people that are interested in my crystals and my healing practice and all that. So thank you so much. And until next time, you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you next time.